Ever wanted to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, but verification walls keep getting in your way? Look no further. Today, we're tackling the Newton account verification process, turning that roadblock into a smooth on-ramp to your crypto journey. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. Cryptocurrencies are all about decentralization and freedom, but that also means taking responsibility for your own security. Verification on platforms like Newton helps keep bad actors at bay and protects your hard-earned cash. So, while it might seem like an extra hurdle, trust us, it's a necessary step to ensure a safe and secure crypto experience. Alright, with that cleared up, let's get down to business. Verifying your Newton account is a breeze, and we'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Gearing up for verification. First things first, make sure you have a valid government-issued ID on hand. This could be your driver's license, passport, or any other official document that proves your identity. Remember, the clearer the picture, the smoother the process. So, find good lighting and avoid glare or shadows obscuring the details. Step 2. Entering the Newton verification arena. There are two main ways to initiate verification on Newton. You might see a prompt within the app itself, guiding you through the process. Alternatively, you might receive an email with a special verification link. No matter the method, the core steps remain the same. Step 3. ID check. Now comes showtime for your government ID. You'll likely be prompted to take a few photos. Here are some pro tips for picture perfection. Lighting is key. Natural light is your best friend. Avoid dark or overly bright backgrounds that might make the details blurry. Frame it right. Ensure your entire ID is captured within the frame. All four corners should be visible, and no information should be cut off. Sharp and clear. Double-check that all the details on your ID are crystal clear and readable. No blurry texts or covered information. Strike a pose. For your ID, hold your ID flat on a clean surface and take the picture directly above it. This minimizes glare and ensures all the details are captured accurately. Step 4. You in the pictures, the selfie saga. Yes, verification often involves a selfie. Don't worry, it's not for a crypto dating app, although that's an interesting concept. The purpose is to match your face with the photo on your ID. Here's how to nail the selfie. Lighting is still key. Remember our natural light friend? Same principle applies here. Center stage. Make sure your entire face is centered in the frame. No mysterious side profile selfies allowed. Solo act. Keep it a one-person show. The verification system needs to see your lovely face, not your friend's photobomb. Smile, or don't, it's up to you. A friendly smile is always nice, but a neutral expression works too. Just make sure you're looking directly at the camera with a clear view of your face. Step 5. Patience is a virtue. Once you've submitted your ID photos and selfie, it's time to sit back and relax. The Newton team will review your information, and you'll receive notification once your account is verified. This process typically takes a few minutes, but in some cases, it might take a bit longer. Don't fret, just wait patiently for the green light. Bonus tip, verification. While you're waiting, explore the Newton platform. Familiarize yourself with the interface, buying and selling options, and any other features that pique your interest. The more comfortable you are with the platform, the smoother your crypto journey will be. And there you have it. Verifying your Newton account is a simple and essential step to unlock the world of cryptocurrency on the platform. With a verified account, you'll be ready to buy, sell, and explore the exciting world of crypto. Remember, cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so always do your own research before investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.